There is this quote that I forgot to take a screenshot of, but the point was the dialogue in movies are compressed versions of real life conversations. In a sense, it removes repetitions and it polishes it in a sense na makumpile ang thought in a shorter way and makonvey our relationship between characters as brief as necessary. Anyway, well, that's not what we're gonna learn today, okay? I've been thinking about that quote over and over again that the meaning has managed to evolve into another thing. So it made me think long of all the specific moments in real life with the real people in our lives that would summarize what our relationship with them is like. So say, I realized how burnt out I was at work when I was at my father's birthday. And all I can think about was, oh, go finish your work now. And I cried. And my aunt saw me and she hugged me and asked me what was wrong. I told her, well, I'm just so tired. I'm so burnt out. I feel trapped. And she told me, if you're tired enough, you can quit. It's okay. I mean, if you're worried about your mom and dad, they can take care of themselves. And besides, wala pa man kay gibuhi ng pamilya, so you can quit. And I hugged her and she hugged me, and I knew she was right at that moment. And so this is a great example of a real life dialogue na ma-summarize akong relationship with my mama. See, if you're an outsider, you would likely think that my mama, which is my aunt, is a great advisor. She cares for me. She doesn't care if I get money or not. She cares for me. She wants me to rest if I'm tired. Basically, that's her overall character towards me. And she's taking care of me. Bata pa na ako. But other than that, what makes this moment a summary of my relationship with Mama is this is her character. Her character is a person na mo give up dayon if kapuyan. It's not a bad thing, but that's her character. And so her characterness is advising me to quit instead of fighting and going through it. While ako, it also says a lot about me because I'm a person at that time who doesn't know my stand or whatever. And so that is why kaning moment mo niya siya ang makasummarize perfectly sa relationship with my mama. It not only has her caring attitude na ako, but also her default character as someone who would give up then if things weren't easy, and also me as someone who can be molded into whatever because I don't know what I'm doing. So that convo is essentially a conclusion of the problem, the situation, my character, her character, and our entire relationship. And I don't know if this makes sense, but yeah.